So now the next question which we are going to solve today is find the area of square plot of side 6 meter. So we know when we have to find the area of a square, so the formula is side multiply by side. The formula is side multiply by side. So let's write the formula is equal to side multiply by side. Now what is the side given? The side is given 6 meter. So 6 meter multiply by 6 meter. So 6 multiplied by 6 is 36 and this is square because there are 2 meters. So square meters. So 36 square meters is the answer of the square plot. So this is the answer. Let's move to the next question. The next question says find the area of rectangle. Find the area of rectangle whose length and breadth are 10 meter and 8 meter respectively. 10 meter and 8 meter respectively means जो आगे है and के आगे क्या word दिया हुआ है and के आगे दिया हुआ है word length and के आगे क्या दिया हुआ है word length. That means and के आगे कितने सेंटीमीटर है 10. So length is 10 and के बाद क्या दिया हुआ breadth. So and के बाद क्या लिखा हुआ 8. So मतलब respectively means कि जो पहले आ रहा है वो पहले है और जो बाद में आ रहा है वो बाद में है. So length is 10 and breadth is 8. Now let's solve it. We know that the area of rectangle is what is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to length multiply by breadth. So length multiply by breadth. Now length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. So 10 multiplied by 8 is 80 square centimeter. So we can write 80 square centimeter is the area of rectangle. This is the answer. Now, let's move to the next question. Next question says, the area of a rectangular garden is. Now, area is मतलब is equal to. Area is given. अब आपको area दिया हुआ है. And its length is this. And length दी हुई है. What is the width of the rectangular garden? By width, they mean the breadth. Width और breadth एक ही बात होती है. So, what is the... So, let's start solving it. Solution. Area of rectangular garden is equal to already given 42 square centimeter. And what is the formula? अगर हमें इसका formula लिखना हो तो if we have to write the formula, then it is length multiply by breadth. अगर हम इसको formula wise लिखेंगे, so that is length multiply by breadth is equal to 42 square centimeter. 42 square सेंटीमीटर. अब हमें लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ को मल्टीप्लाई करके 42 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर आ रहा है, ये लिख लिया. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग विच वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज, नाउ वी विल सी कि व्हाट इज द लेंथ गिवन. अब आपको लेंथ दी हुई है ना, क्या दी हुई है लेंथ आपकी 7 सेंटीमीटर. तो हम यहाँ पे लेंथ लिखेंगे 7 सेंटीमीटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रेड्थ इज नॉट गिवन, विड्थ इज नॉट गिवन ना, ब्रेड्थ विच इज इक्वल टू 42 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. नाउ हमें ब्रेड्थ निकालनी है. सो 7 सेंटीमीटर को अगर हम उस साइड ले जाएं, या फिर आप माइंड में भी सोच सकते हो कि आप 7 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे कि आपको 42 मिल जाए, या आप 7 को उधर ले जाओ, 7 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, उधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा डिवाइड. सो वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट एज breadth is equal to 42 square centimeter divided by 7 centimeter. So 42 divided by 7 is 7. 7 6 are 42. So 6 centimeter is the answer. So the width of the rectangle is 6 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Next question says, find the area of rectangle whose sides are 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. अब हमें area निकालना है. So how will we find the area? The area is again area of rectangle. We will write the formula. It is length multiplied by breadth. So the length is 3 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter. Okay, so length is 5. I'm writing here 5, and breadth is 3. It is smaller. So 5 multiplied by 3 is 15 square centimeter is the answer. Now the next question says the area of a square board. Area of a square carom board is this. अब area आपको already दिया हुआ है. Find the length of each of its side. अब आपको side निकालनी है. So what is the formula to find the area of a square carom board? पहले हम formula लिखते हैं. What is the formula? Formula is area of a square carom board is equal to side multiplied by side. Now area is already given to you. अब आपको area क्या दिया हुआ है? Already क्या दिया हुआ है area आपको? Area is given to you as 64. तो हम यहाँ पे 64 square centimeters लिख. So now the area is already given to you. Area is already given to you, that is 64 square centimeter. So we have written 64 square centimeter is equal to side multiplied by side. So I'm writing here S multiplied by S. अब now we know that square has all sides equal. तो मुझे यहाँ पे ये देखना पड़ेगा कि मैं किससे खुद से मल्टीप्लाई करूं कि 64 आ जाए. मतलब अगर मैं यहाँ पे 1 लेती हूँ तो मुझे यहाँ पे भी 1 ही लेना पड़ेगा क्योंकि स्क्वायर है. सो 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 इज नॉट 64, राइट. 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 इज नॉट 64. अच्छा, अगर मैं यहाँ पे 2 लेती हूँ तो 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 करूंगी मैं. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 अगेन इज नॉट 64, राइट. So if I take 3 multiplied by 3 is again not 64. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. Yes, that means this side is equal to 8, because 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. So we will write here that is 8 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter. So that means we will write so the side is 8 centimeter. Let me write on the next page. So the side of the carom board is 8 centimeter. Answer. Now next question is find the length of the rectangular garden. एक length निकालनी है आपको rectangular garden की. Now you have to find the length of the rectangular garden जिसका area आपको दिया हुआ है 330 square centimeters. Area is given and आपको what is next given? Breadth is given. Again we will write the formula. What is the formula? The formula is area of rectangular garden is equal to length multiply by breadth. So area of rectangular garden is equal to length multiply by breadth. Now we know area कितना दिया हुआ हमको. We have been given the area of 330 square centimeters, right? And length is given to you? No, length is not given, so I am writing here L only. Multiply by breadth. Breadth is 15 सेंटीमीटर. सो अब हमें देखना है कि हम 15 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें दैट वी गेट 330. तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल डू द ऑपोजिट. हम 15 यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, हम 15 को वहां ले जाएंगे और वहां पे जाके वो क्या हो जाएगा, डिवाइड. सो we will write here 330 square centimeter. So 330 square centimeter divided by 15 centimeter is equal to length. So जब 330 को आप 15 से डिवाइड करोगे, that means 330 को जब आप 15 से डिवाइड करोगे, what will you get? What will you get? 15 2s are 30. Again 30 minus 33 minus 30 is 3. And again 30. Again 15 multiplied by 2 is 30. So you will get 22 centimeter. So that means when you will divide, you will get 22 centimeter. So the length of the square rectangular garden is 22 centimeter. Answer.